Israel and Iran have escalated their deadly exchange of missile strikes as Iranian projectiles targeted major Israeli cities, while Israeli forces simultaneously conducted new attacks on military installations in Tehran yesterday. The dramatic confrontation has plunged the Middle East into what officials describe as dangerous new territory. Air raid sirens wailed across Israel as missiles streaked through the skies over Jerusalem and Haifa. Israelis are rushed to bomb shelters in northern Israel as Iranian missiles rained down on populated areas. Loud explosions were heard through the Haifa region as Israeli air defense systems activated to intercept the incoming barrage. The Israeli Defense Forces confirmed they are striking military targets in Tehran even as they work to intercept the wave of missiles launched from Iran. The IDF Home Front Command has instructed civilians nationwide to remain close to bomb shelters until further notice, warning that movement in public areas should be minimized and public gatherings must be avoided. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump escalated diplomatic pressure on Tehran, warning that even more brutal attacks on Iran will follow if the Islamic Republic does not commit to a nuclear agreement with the United States. Israeli military officials stated they are operating under the assumption that Iranian attacks are far from over. The Israeli Defense Forces said most incoming ballistic missiles were intercepted, though several impacted in central Israel. The military announced it will continue to attack and destroy Iranian surface-to-surface missile sites, warning that Iran still possesses an arsenal capable of causing grave damage to Israel. The United States has moved rapidly to bolster Israeli defenses amid the escalating conflict. The Navy directed the destroyer USS Thomas Hudner, which is capable of defending against ballistic missiles, to begin sailing from the western Mediterranean Sea toward the eastern Mediterranean. American air defense systems and a Navy destroyer have already helped Israel shoot down incoming ballistic missiles from Iran, according to US officials.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.